Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 3 easy ways to make money online in 2023. With the rise of the internet and technology, there are now countless opportunities to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. Number 1. Online surveys. One of the simplest and easiest ways to make money online is by taking online surveys. There are several websites and apps that pay you for your opinion on various products and services. All you need to do is sign up for these platforms, fill out your profile and start taking surveys. The amount you earn per survey can vary, but it's a great way to make some extra cash in your free time. Number 2. Freelancing. If you have a skill or talent that can be performed remotely, freelancing is a great option for you. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr offer a variety of projects and jobs, from writing and graphic design to programming and data entry. You can set your own rates, work on projects that interest you, and choose your own hours. This makes freelancing a flexible and lucrative option for anyone looking to earn money online. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Another great way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service through a unique affiliate link and earning a commission for each sale made through that link. You can promote products or services through your blog, social media channels, or even through email marketing. The key to success in affiliate marketing is finding the right products and services to promote, and building a strong relationship with your audience. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or start a full-time online business, these methods offer the flexibility and opportunities you need to reach your financial goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, be sure to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.